Hello, my dear friends. Today I want to speak about New Education Policy 2020. The foundation stones of the New Education Policy 2020 was laid from the year 2014 onwards. Two eminent people were involved in this policy, Dr. K. Kasturi Rangam and T.S.R. Subramaniam. Now, in this policy, what will happen? That our age old 10 plus 2 education system will be converted into 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 model. Initially, the 5 years of the education will be will be used to develop analytical and reasoning skills among the students. These skills will help the students to carry on the upper education easily. Up till the 5th grade, the local languages will be used to introduce concepts because it is believed that local languages will promote understanding. From the class 6th onwards, vocational training will be provided to the students. For example, coding will be introduced in the format. The students will also be allowed to learn from local artisans, gardeners, and carpentry work. This will promote skill based learning in the students. They will be also allowed to take internship and guidance from experts. From the class 9th onwards, the semester system will be introduced. Now, with the help of this semester system, the importance will be paid throughout the year. This will help the students to clear their concepts easily. Now, there will be no distinguish between the various streams. For example, the students will be allowed to choose subjects from all the streams, whether be it art, science, or commerce. This will help to develop core skills. For example, nowadays, if we want to have a design engineer, then he should have interest in the arts as well as he should be interested in the physics. So if he will be able to take these subjects in the beyond the ninth standard, this will help him a lot to choose his path wisely. Now, in the undergraduate program, multi entry and exit systems will be introduced. For this, credits will be imparted. For example, if a student completes 1 year of education, he will be given certificate. If he is able to complete 2 years of education, he will be provided diploma. If he does 3 years, he will be given a degree. And if he does 4 years of education, he will be given a degree plus a research certificate. This will help the students that if they are leaving the education in between, they will be able to continue from that point onwards. Okay. Now, the efforts will be also made to regulate the fees of all these programs. Beyond a permissible level, the fees will not be charged. Proper auditing of the schemes will be done. Okay, the importance will be laid on the Sanskrit language. The Sanskrit language will be taught up till the undergraduate level also. The efforts will be taken so that students realize their rich culture and heritage wisely. The importance will also be done on the subjects such as music, art, and culture, etc. Because these subjects not just help to develop skills in the students, but they are a rich source of recreation and they can also work as alternative source of employment also. But all this policy depends on how well these are executed. So proper counseling sessions should be done so that the students know which subject to opt and develop their future as well. So I hope you will appreciate this video about this program. Thank you.